If your garden struggled last spring, this is probably why. In case we haven't met, my name is Tammy and welcome back to Curious Greens. These are the 5 mistakes that I see every year, and if you don't catch them early, they will ruin your harvest. Mistake number 1 is planting too early. Just because it's warm outside doesn't mean that your soil is ready.
It's important to know the ideal soil temperature for your plants before you plant them out.
Your plants grow in soil, not in the air, and having the right soil temperature is incredibly important.
Mistake number 2, skipping soil prep. If your soil isn't right, really nothing else matters. Your soil is the foundation of your entire season.
Mistake number 3 is not hardening off your plants.
Friends, you can't just take a plant from indoors and plant them straight away into your garden. It will totally go into shock. They need time to acclimate to the outdoors.
Trust me when I tell you that process of hardening off is so important that if you don't do this, it's going to slow everything down. Mistake number 4 is overcrowding.
More plants does not necessarily mean more food.
It leads to competition and ultimately smaller harvests. Mistake number 5 is planting everything at once.
If you don't stagger your planting, your harvest is going to come all at once. It's so much better to succession plant.
If you avoid these 5 things, your garden is already way ahead of everyone else's. Until next time, thank you for coming by Curious Greens. It's a pleasure having you.